Hey kids, how are you all doing today? We are back with another awesome video for you. In today's video, we have been revealing some surprise animal toys. They are super fun and you are going to enjoy them a lot. So make sure you stay with us until the very end of the video. Look kids, first we have a green clay box. Let's quickly take it out of the plastic wrapper and see which animal is hiding inside. Wow kids, there an animal hidden inside. We have taken it out and set it aside for a little while. First, let's make something with this clay. What should we make kids? How about a jalebi? Come on, let's make a jalebi. You would like to eat jalebi, right, kids? Yes, we would. Look, kids, we made it. A jalebi. Wow. Now, ha ha ha. Let's grab our surprise package. Look, it's wrapper in plastic. Let's open it. Wow, it's what is this, kids? It's a loin, and now he's become a big boss in the USA. Wow.
Chillin' at the cookout, grab a plate. Got ribs, got wings, I just can't wait. Talk smack with the homies, laugh till we cry.
Now kids, let's take our second clay box, the white clay box. We are going to reveal another surprise animal toy from it. Can you guess which animal it might be? Let's quickly remove the plastic wrapper. There we go. Look kids, the clay is so shiny and pretty. Let's press it and see if there's an animal hidden inside. Wow, there is an animal inside. We have take it out and place it to the side for a moment. First, let's make another jalebi with this clay. You have love it. It looks so yummy. Look kids, our jalebi is ready. Wow, white jalebi. Ha ha ha. Wow. Our jalebi is ready. Look kids, look, white jalebi. Ha ha ha. Wow. Wow. Now let's reveal our surprise. Wow, it's a Rhinoceros. And now he is hiding to his farmhouse to enjoy a nice cup of coffee. Ha ha ha.
Box pumping, let the good times roll. Funk so strong, it's seeping in your soul.
Now kids, it's time for our last clay box, the purple clay box. Let's quickly cut it open and see which surprise animal toy is hiding inside. Look kids, we have removed the plastic wrapper. Now let's take over the clay. Wow kids, the clay looks so soft. First we have take out the hidden animal toy and set it aside for a little while. Then we have used the clay to make another jalebi. Come on kids, let's roll it up. Look kids, we have made our jalebi. Wow, purple jalebi. Look kids, we made it. Look, wow. Round jalebi ko round. Wow, look kids. Very beautiful purple jalebi. Wow, we made it. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Wow. Very beautiful. Now let's pick up the surprise packet and see what's inside. Wow, what is this, kids? It's a Triceratops, and now he's going to the USA to sell cups. That's all for today's surprise animal toy reveal. Which animal was your favorite? The loin, the rhino, or the tail?
Them flow.